Okay, what up YouTube? This is another little video here. We're working on a 97 Honda Civic. Well, I didn't want to pay 200 bucks for that pulley tool for the trailing arm. So I saw a little video talking about smacking it here, smacking it there, and all the way around, right? Well, that worked until it got right about here. And then it just didn't want to go no more. So I did it Puerto Rican style. I started hacking in here by hand. You don't got to do it like this. I do it like this because, I'm passionate about my car and whatnot. And I really like doing this kind of stuff. So I cut this in. I popped the wheel. I popped the little frame bushing. And now, there it goes. There it goes. Let's see. Come on, baby. Get out of there. Get out of there. Come on. It's kind of hard to record. And that's how you take a trailing arm, a broken trailing arm off. Puerto Rican style, I guess, or ghetto style, whatever you want to call it. I mean, I figured it was so damn rusty. That's why it didn't want to come out. But she's nice and out, and she's clean. I'm just gonna do a little bit of sanding paper around here, clean this up, and install my new one. Alright, catch you on the install. Okay, now we're gonna go with the wire brush. Clean this up real good. We got some sandpaper here. 180 sandpaper. I want to do it like that because I just want to clean this up real good. So when I install the new one, it'll go in there nice and smooth. Because that's just how we do it. Okay, this is what the new one looks like. So when you install, you want to put the short part on the outside, and then you want to put the longer part towards the inside. Make sure you put the smaller portion up and the thicker part on the bottom. And this video is sponsored by Moog Steering Suspension NASCAR Performance. So let's get this thing going, and check back in a minute. Okay guys, and there it is, nice and flush. Nice and flush. It's a done deal. And there it goes, guys. Good job, well done. And this is what it looked like when it's all said and done.